Hey there, crushing it 2021, day 22. Okay, so I want to talk to you today about another way that you can change your state of being in an instant. We're going to talk about the one I forgot to tell you about yesterday, which is gratitude. I don't know how I left that off the list. So I'm going to just make it its own little category, which is really not a bad idea to make a practice of gratitude. So let's talk about some of the things that it does for you. So first of all, you literally can't hold two thoughts in your brain at any one time, and you can choose to switch thoughts out at any given time. So, but it has to become a practice just like anything else because it's not our first response. We've grown up and lived our lives doing it differently, right? Living in stress and high levels of anxiety and, go, go, go and all that kind of stuff. So we're always worrying, we're thinking about what can go wrong. So let's talk about what gratitude does for you, first of all. Well, it actually enhances your health. It improves your immune system. It reduces pain in your body, anywhere in your body. It lowers your blood pressure, and it also helps regulate your sleep cycle. So another good way to get some good sleep. But it also enhances your mood, which makes sense, right? And I'll tell you why in just a second. It also creates stronger empathy between you and other people, which is going to create stronger relationships, which is part of what gratitude does. And it also builds stronger community because you're happier with people around you, right? But let me tell you how it does it. So when you are in gratitude, when you practice gratitude, you actually release neurochemicals that are your happiness chemicals, which are dopamine and serotonin, right? So we know we like to connect things to that dopamine reward system, right? And serotonin kind of keeps that happy, uplifted kind of feeling going on. And it also reduces that fear and anxiety. So it's going to work for all of these things. It's a really good idea to practice gratitude on a regular basis. And I would start that by first thing in the morning, like way lower your bar for gratitude. I got this from actually Dean Graziosi, who says, I mean, just be grateful for the littlest things like your sheets, your partner who's next to you. Lower your gratitude bar and start being grateful for every little tiny thing that you have and start first thing in the morning. But what this does, besides releasing these feel good chemicals into your brain and body, it also literally rewires the brain center called the bliss center. The part of the brain is the bliss center. So you're going to rewire it and actually create a happier brain. You actually have more gray matter in your brain when you practice gratitude. So a couple of ideas. I think this is a great plan to learn the practice of gratitude. It's something every day for, I think, 30 days, the magic. There's also a really good book called 29 Gifts, which really brings the understanding and the practice of gratitude full circle for somebody. I really liked the story and I liked kind of following along with it and doing the practices of that as well. So pick one and then do the other, do them both, or find your own gratitude books or system to start practicing gratitude with. Another thing you can do is write in your gratitude journal. You can write gratitude every day. And I would always frame things in the positive. So you wouldn't say, I'm gonna use the smoking example again. I'm so grateful I don't smoke. You'd say, I'm grateful to be a non-smoker. Okay. So let's see what else. Other good ideas. Let me see. I think I wrote a couple down. Gratitude journal. Oh, do something for someone else. If you're not in a good place, the best thing you can do is go do something for somebody else. You'll get in gratitude. And I always have a picture in my brain that's my go-to gratitude thing. So I know it's going to get me to gratitude the quickest. And it's the little babies in my life. It's my grandchildren. I can think about them, or I can think about when I first met my husband, or, when the day we got married, things like that. Those are things I can go to and get to gratitude quickly and change that state of mind very quickly. Okay, so that's the practice of gratitude. Do you presently practice gratitude? Drop that in the comments, yes or no. And if not, what's one thing you're going to start doing today to start utilizing the practice of gratitude? And drop that down below. All right, guys, thanks for being here. Good to see you all today, the 22nd day. So what do we have? 8 days left. That's it. Only 8 days left. So thanks for being here on my channel. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, the thumbs up, the subscribe, and the bell. Stick around so you can get more content. This way I know what you like and what you're enjoying. So thanks so much for doing that, and I will see you next time.